Welcome to Shake It Off Wholemeal. Today recipe is tom yum soup with brown rice, easy and tasty. Ingredients you'll need: 200 grams chicken slices, 2 crab sticks, cut into pieces, 1 cup mushrooms, button or oyster, 1/2 cup black fungus, soaked and sliced, 2 cups water. 1 stalk lemongrass, bruised, 3 kaffir lime leaves. 1 tablespoon tom yum paste. 1 teaspoon fish sauce. Juice of 1 lime. 1 serving of cooked brown rice. Let's cook. Keycap 1. Bring water to a boil with lemongrass and lime leaves. Keycap 2. Add tom yum paste and fish sauce. Keycap 3. Stir in chicken, cook until white. Keycap 4. Add mushrooms, black fungus and crab sticks. Keycap 5. Simmer 10 minutes, then squeeze in lime juice. Memo tip: adjust spice level with chili flakes. Brown rice base. Steam brown rice or use leftover. Place rice into a bowl or plate. Pour hot tom yum soup over or serve on the side. Herb garnish with coriander or chili slices for extra kick. Sparkles ready to serve. Tom yum soup plus brown rice equals a nourishing, flavor-packed meal. Yummy face orange heart, perfect for lunch or dinner. Next day breakfast. Spicy tom yum soup paired with hearty wholemeal bread fire orange heart, a warm, comforting combo with a healthy twist. Chopsticks dip the bread or enjoy on the side, it's your call. Bell follow for more wholesome fusion recipes. Get my books. This complete guide is your companion for keto success. Melt away stubborn fat, increase energy, and boost focus with a low-carb, high-fat approach. Easy to follow tips and mouth-watering recipes make keto simple and enjoyable. Mental health and well-being. The complete guide to stress relief has become a favorite among readers because it provides a comprehensive, practical approach to managing stress and promoting mental well-being. In today's fast-paced world, stress is a major concern, and this book helps readers tackle it from multiple angles, such as nutrition, mindfulness, exercise, and cognitive behavioral techniques. Visit website www.wholemeal.com for best weight loss products, recipes and more.